Hello guys, we are here with the second set of heat and mass transfer. This is the second chapter of RT Success channel, and let's start with the first question. The critical radius is the insulation radius at which the resistance of heat flow is minimum. Metal are good conductors of heat because their atoms collide frequently. The automobile radiator is a heat exchanger of cross flow type. Which of the following is a case of steady state heat transfer? None of the above are the cases for steady state heat transfer. Which of the following will lead to reduction in thermal resistance? In conduction, reduction in the thickness of material and an increase in thermal conductivity. In convection, stirring of the fluid and cleaning the heating surface. In radiation, increasing the temperature and reducing the emissivity. All of the above lead to reduction in thermal resistance. Total heat is the heat required to convert water into steam and superheat it. The ratio of thickness of thermal boundary layer to thickness of hydrodynamic boundary layer is equal to N, where N is equal to -1/3. Cork is a good insulator because it has porous body. Temperature of steam at 540 degrees centigrade can be measured by thermocouple. The amount of radiation mainly depends upon nature of body, temperature of body, and type of surface of the body, that is all of these. Thermal conductivity of air at room temperature in kilocalorie per meter hour degree centigrade is in the order of 0.02. Fouling factor is the safety factor. The time constant of a thermocouple is the time taken to attain 63.2% of the initial value of temperature difference. The natural convection air cooled condensers are used in domestic refrigerators. The thermal conductivity of air with rise in temperature increases is the correct option. A heat exchanger with heat transfer surface area A and overall heat transfer coefficient U with Cmax and Cminimum being the heat capacities. The number of transfer unit is given by NTU is given by AU by Cminimum. Heat flows from one body to another body when they have different temperature. Thermal diffusivity H is given by rho S by K by rho S. Thermal diffusivity is given by K by rho S. The concept of overall coefficient of heat transfer is used in the problems of conduction and convection. The use of heat exchanger is made in radiators in automobile, condenser and boilers in steam plants, and condenser and evaporators in refrigeration and air conditioning units, all of the above. Thank you for watching.